what hacks might you want to share, tips or tricks might you want to share, and or what software or automation tools would you like to share that we haven't maybe already discussed?
Sure. Ooh, lots of things to talk about there. Honestly, one of the first things that I would tell you that really takes me all the way back to launching. So if you have not launched yet and you're listening and you're trying to strategize how you want to get the word out about your show, leverage a launch team to help you get the word out about your show and to really begin to gather those reviews for your podcast, those ratings and reviews early. A launch team is what enabled me to a total nobody to I believe I had about 500 downloads just in my first 24 hours. And I'm not a celebrity. I'm a famous person. I was just, taking my first shot at a podcast, but having the support of a launch team really enabled me to just run out of the gate full speed. The next thing that I would tell you is that find a project management tool that fits the way you think. And if you are new to this, try Trello. Trello is a really easy, simple project management tool that you can use to store templates and just your processes so that you're getting your step-by-step method for creating your podcast week after week out of your head and into an external brain. Let it live somewhere else so that you have the brain space to think about bigger things, to think big picture. And then finally, just in terms of hacks, really having that process and knowing how much time each piece of your process takes you is also key, because you know that if you get in a pinch and you have to squeeze an episode into a day, how much time does an episode take you? I know that it takes me, if I'm doing an episode by myself start to finish, that it takes me about 6 hours. And so that's something that everyone needs to know, because our time is limited. Time is our most precious, non-renewable resource. And when you have a handle on how much these repeatable activities take you, you can plan so much better and make the most of your time.